Class, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today, guys, as you can tell by the title of the video, what this video is about. But before I go any further, I would like to say thank you to the new subscribers. I appreciate you guys, and I hope you guys stick around and enjoy the content over here. But yeah, let's get into this video. So guys, y'all know recently I just picked up Profusion's Glamourland palette, and I just recently used it. This is the palette that I used, and that video did really well. I also picked up some other things that I have not did a video on because I didn't plan on doing like a dedicated video about these products. I just wanted them, and so I decided to, you know, just pick them up. And this is the Glamour palette. This is part of the Profusion's collection, holiday collection as well. And this is the Arctic palette. And this is the Nude palette. And the Nude palette is the palette that I've been having my eye on. So I think I'm gonna take a stab at this palette. The shades look a little on the light side, but I have learned from using Profusion palettes that sometimes the light shades can run very dark, a little deeper than what you think they run. But another thing, guys, I'll be using my travel makeup bag also in this video, just to throw something in there. We're gonna go back into those same shades we used and use them in reverse. layer to this. I'm not exactly sure. But what I want to add to it, because I'm going to use my Maya Makeup Loose Pigment Powder to draw a little line. So let's just see how this turns out. I took my little Maya, my loose pigment by Maya Makeup, and I drew a line through that crease. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do my other eye off camera and put my lashes on, and I'll be right back. Now we're gonna get into the face portion of this video. I'm gonna be using Cetaphil for my moisturizer, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. matte primer to prime my face with. And setting powder, I'm going to be using my Milani setting powder in number 3. I actually got one of those in here too. So yeah. So this one, I got my face all set. I have 2 foundations in here. I have my Covergirl, and I was so in love with this foundation when I first discovered it. It was my favorite go-to foundation, and it's in my travel bag, and I pretty much use this foundation, was using this foundation like every single day. And I have my Born to Glow. When this first came out, I jumped off of this and got onto this, and as you can see, it's damn near empty. And I don't think I'm gonna use this because I don't know exactly how much is in it. And this is a damn good match for me. I'm talking about really good match. It's a concealer. I'm going to use the concealers by Covergirl. These are the cousins to the foundation. So I'm just gonna go in with a tag right here for the inner. Now we're gonna contour, and I hadn't cream contour in a long time, so hopefully it'll be all right. Gonna go ahead and set the face. I'm gonna be using the NYX mineral powder. Just gonna tap the excess off. The blush out of there, the orange blush out of there. I dipped into Toby and Neo. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and throw some lips on. I'm going to be using my WetNWild L.A.COLORS lip gloss to finish this. forgot to highlight. Hold on. So we're gonna take coin and highlight, because I sure forgot that. Okay guys, so this is the finished look for this video, guys. Tell me what you think in the comment section down below. So let me sum this up real quick. So in my beauty bag, I used everything pretty much, except for some brushes that I bought when I first started doing my makeup, and the NYX Born to Glow foundation. And I mentioned that in there earlier that I would have like to use this, but I don't think there was enough in there for me to do this video with, so I chose to use my Covergirl foundation. So yeah, I pretty much used everything in there. And just to give y'all a second look at the Profusion Cosmetics Nude palette, what I used today, this is the palette, this is what it's looking like. So yeah guys, it's a really nice palette. I enjoyed using it. It came out so cute. But yeah, it's really nice. But yeah guys, that is all for this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more videos. I'll see you guys in my next one.